Ever feel like you have big dreams but zero energy to chase them? You want to build a business, get fit, fix your life, but instead you end up scrolling, lying on your bed, telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. And each night you think, I could have done more. Why didn't I? Here's the truth. It's not because you're lazy, it's because you're stuck in a psychological trap. You know exactly what to do, but you don't do it. Guilt builds. Weeks pass. Guilt turns into acceptance. This silent loop drains your ambition slowly without you realizing. January arrives. Fresh year, fresh motivation. You tell yourself, this year I'll change everything. And for a week, you're unstoppable. New gym plans, new routine, new goals. But soon, procrastination sneaks back in, like that one relative who shows up uninvited and refuses to leave. Suddenly, you're back to square one. Eventually, you stop saying, I'm tired, and start saying, I'm a lazy person. And the moment you label yourself, your brain accepts that identity. And identity is the hardest prison to break. The real villain is inertia. Physics says, objects at rest stay at rest. Objects in motion stay in motion. Your tasks behave the same way. Starting requires an initial push, and right now, that push feels too big, so your brain avoids it and chooses cheap dopamine instead. But here's the good news. You can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 secret tricks that break laziness, kill procrastination, and put you back in control. Trick number 1. Make it stupidly small. Big tasks scare the brain, so shrink them. Want to write a book? Don't think of 200 pages. Write 1 sentence today. Want to learn guitar? Don't learn an entire song. Practice 1 chord. Think of a mountain. No one jumps to the top. You climb it 1 tiny step at a time. Trick number 2, create easy routines. Stop depending on motivation. Motivation shows up only when it feels like it, but routines, they show up every single day. With routines, you don't have to make tough decisions. The path is already laid out. These tiny setups create tiny wins, and tiny wins, repeated daily, become massive transformation. Think of routines like an autopilot for the life you want. Just set it once, and it keeps moving you forward. Trick number 3, the first 5-minute rule. The hardest part is starting. So promise yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. It's like pushing a heavy ball. The first push is tough, but once it starts rolling downhill, momentum takes over. Always remember, objects in motion stay in motion. Once you break the initial inertia, your brain shifts from resistance to momentum. The task becomes 10 times easier. As Martin Luther King said, you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step, because you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.